morning, dear Roots kiddos and all dear parents. Hope you are safe and healthy at home. Kids, I really feel great that you are enjoying Deep Roots summer camp videos and sending me back your beautiful, amazing videos. And it was really a very great feeling when you told me that you love making bel puri, rainbow activity, bubble game. Should we start with our new activity? One more funful activity. Kids, do you know tomorrow is Father's Day? Special Papa's Day. So how you will like to wish Papa? By giving him beautiful, amazing 3D cards. You will wish Papa Happy Father's Day. Kids, can you see what I have made in this card? Can you see? Who is Papa? Papa brings smile on our face. So, this card wishes Papa, you are the reason for my smile. And kids, isn't it Papa umbrella for you? Papa protects us from everything. So, he is umbrella for the family. This is your umbrella card. Kids, Papa is also sunshine for the family. Isn't it you feel happy with Papa? Can you see? Papa is sunshine. He is sun for all of you. So kids, you will like to make this card for Papa? Sure, you will enjoy it. Let's start. Kids, first I will teach you to make this smiley card for Papa. You can take help of Mama while making this card. So kids, what material we will need? We will need colorful card sheet. Any color you can use to make this card. Then we will need sketch pen. Kids, we will need scissors, but without help of Mama, no one need to use scissors. We will need one pencil. Kids, we will need glue stick and eraser. So let's start making our card. Kids, I have taken blue color card sheet because blue is my favorite color. You can take card sheet of your choice, color of your choice. And for smiley, we will need yellow color card sheet. So let's start. Kids, first we need to fold the card sheet. We have to fold the card sheet in triple layers. I have folded the card sheet in 3 layers. Can you see? Then, with help of scissors, we will cut the card from here. From the first fold, we will cut it. We have to cut like this. You can take help of Mama. And our cut sheet is ready. Then for smiley, I took this piece of paper. Now I will draw smiley. Kids, can you tell me what is the shape of the smiley? It is round. Oh, where I have round? How I will draw smiley? Yes, I can use my bangle. Now kids, you too have to use something for round shape. I kept this bangle on this yellow color card sheet. And with help of pencil, I am drawing round circle. Kids, can you see? Isn't it round circle? Now we will cut it with the help of scissors. Kids, can you see? I am cutting it round. Kids, do you love art and craft? Yes. It's your favorite activity. Wow. I too love art and craft. So kids, our smiley is ready. Now should we start making card? Our card sheet is ready and our smiley is ready. Kids, we have to fold this card sheet from middle. In this manner, you can fold it. Can you see? Yes, you have to fold it. Our cute card is ready. Yes. Kids, now you have to observe very keenly. Observe it. आपको ध्यान से देखना है मैं अब क्या कर रही हूँ. Now I am cutting this card and giving it a little cut in the middle. Sorry, from two sides, not in the proper middle. Kids, you have to check it. It is not in proper middle. It's two sides. See, I have cut this card. Can you see? Now again I will open it. And my cut is ready. And I will fold this cut from inside. With the help of finger, I will fold this cut. And my box is ready inside. Kids, I hope you can see it. My box is ready. Now I will take my smiley and with help of glue, I will stick smiley here. Kids, I am applying the glue on the base of the smiley. And I am sticking the smiley on this folded square. See kids, my smiley is stuck. Now what I will do? I will write any letter for Papa. What should I write, kid? Papa brings smile on your face, isn't it? So I will write You are the reason for my smile. Kids, I am using dark color sketch pen. U, Y, O, U, A, R, E, R, T, H, E, the, R, E, A, S, O, N, reason. For F, O, R, M, Y, my, S, M, I, L, E, smile. You are the reason for my smile. Now I will wish Papa well. I will write small message. Dear Papa, D-E-A-R, dear. P-A-P-A, Papa. Happy Father's Day. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. F-A-T-H-E-R-S, fathers. D-A-Y, day. Dear Papa, happy Father's Day. Kids, can you see I have written here? And above I have written, you are the reason for my smile. Kids, I have not made face of smiling. Let's draw. I have made big U. You can see. And two chubby cheeks. Two chubby cheeks and you. Using black color of sketch pen, I am drawing eyes. Eyes of smiley is ready. All day group kiddos, you can also write your name here. That is your choice. And our card is ready. Now I am folding these cards. You can see the fold. Our card is ready. Happy Father's Day. So kids, you can present this card to your Papa, and tomorrow you have to wish Papa Happy Father's Day and bring smile on his face. Bye bye kids.